I'm Astrid.
Hi, I'm Stefan.
And we make up Adventures with Astrid. I'm super excited to have you come with us on so many adventures. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it. So there's some more walking along here on the pathway where this is all just built into the side of the hill. You duck all through these narrow tunnels that they've cut back through where the water is dripping down through the rocks. You can see all the spots on our back.
And it's kind of tight as you're about to see, so we're going to turn sideways because we have an onlooker coming.
We're going to let people go by here. It's so cool. In some ways, it reminds me of Zion, just a little bit. Because we've got a river and narrow slot canyons, but couldn't be more different in some ways too. So just awesome. What do you think, love?
I think I'm excited to see what it's at the end. Are you ready for a finale?
I know. We'll go around the corner here.
All right, here we go.
Yep, because there's a gate. This must be as far as we can go today. And it opens up to the mountains out there too. It's going to be hard to see on the camera, but there is a mountain peak out there just beyond. Look at the textures of the ridges as you look up. Just amazing. Looking straight up, you can see where the water has cut its way down through the rock. All this hydraulic energy as it cuts down through the rock. It's so cool. It's all the way down there now. The water's very blue-green. We're calling it absinthe.
Absinthe green.
Absinthe green.
It is like 2 shades lighter than Diablo Lake, if you're familiar with that.
Pretty cool. So the train up to the waterfall is not open yet for the year, but we are hiking our way up. This is the famous waterfall for Sherlock Holmes and Professor Moriarty. So we just hiked our way up, and I do think this might be the private road. But there's cool little sheeps. They're very cute. So I thought we'd get the view here as we come up. All right guys, so we're hiking our way up. Maybe the waterfall is fairly low today, but wow. Woo. Big shot.
Should we go for a swim?
That would be quite the down right there. That is a huge down.
So you ready? Here we go. You want to hear it? Okay.
Alright, let's see. Woo.
It's so good to hear.
Yep. Quite the down. So, it's just wonderful regardless. Super pretty, all the mountains. All right, so we made it up. This is where the train goes, and there's water all the way up, and we've hiked the trail because the train is not running, obviously, as I mentioned. But yeah, that's right where the falls would be. Right in that gap up there. Still totally worth it, and been a lot of fun on this hike up. But really no Wasser, no water. But that's okay. There's some cute donkeys up here too, so we may go say hi to them. There's donkeys. They're so cute. Why, hello. What do you think? I already have that pack, like I'm ready to go. You have that look. Are you getting left behind? Is that the worry? You don't want to be left? Is that it? All right. So what do you think, Lev?
I think Holy Mountains, Batman.
I know, right?
It was a good workout. I've earned my cake, I think.
Yes, we will have victory cake later for sure.
And we have donkeys, which I'm just like, that's the thing.
So the view is just breathtaking and beautiful. Hopefully the camera will capture it. You can see the cliffs there, those big lines. Over on that far rock face across the valley, we could see some paragliders earlier. You can see the town down below. We gained a lot of altitude really quickly, just a little way to hike up here. But even then, if you look way up the valley up there, so there's buildings still just way up the valley, way above us, which is so cool about this. You can see how far they go up if you look up that hillside up into the snow line. So you can only imagine what this is like during the winter. So beautiful day today, the weather's gorgeous. Ollie's over there getting directions.
In German.
In German, which is wonderful. I don't think the donkey speaks English. I tried. So this is where I'm going to be honest. So right there, the camera may not capture it, but that is a huge down. You can see the buildings down there. I'm honestly not going to get any closer than that. And it is over there too. So this is close enough. But wow, what a view. We've hiked all the way up from down below. Absolutely gorgeous. And you know, this was completely unplanned and we're kind of going on a trail. We don't know where it goes. But absolutely worth it. So beautiful.
I hear people talking.
Yeah.
I can't see them.
Just beautiful. You see that ridge back there.
I love that jacket.
We see our Wanderung party here.
Hello!
Hello!
Woo. Our trail must be up there somewhere because we can hear people laughing. Ah, I can see them. They're up there. So there we go. Let's see where this trail goes, shall we?
Yep.
And we're going to avoid, see, there's the down right there.
There's what?
There's the down. So right off where that snow patch is,
Oh!
it goes straight bloody
Oh
down.
crap, I can see it now. Oh my god, that's giving me the willies.
Yeah, that's like 1,000 foot down. So yeah. Oh, evidence here. Film evidence. That was a drive by snowballing. All right, so we have hiked over hill and dale. We have yodeled. We have sang.
We have earned the cake.
We've walked in muck. We
Went through
And then we rinsed in the snow.
we rustled with donkeys. Don't forget the donkeys.
Yeah, absolutely got the donkeys. But regardless, the view is just breathtaking.
I mean, how can you be mad at this?
Yeah. When we checked a little while ago, we were at what, 3,000 feet? About 1,000 meters?
1,000. It was 910 about.
Well, 1,000 meters, right?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
the snow's still out.
Oh, you saucy wench.
I can tell you.
So about 1,000 meters, or about 3,000 feet. Yeah.
Oh, we should check now. We'll get our
Yeah.
trusty old compass out.
And we found at least some asphalt, so which is good. So we're not hiking in goat pastures anymore.
We are at 940 meters elevation.
Brilliant. Schottenhalb in Ben.
Schottenhalb, yep.
Schottenhalb in Ben.
Bern is the canton, or the state.
Brilliant. And look at that view. Look at that ridge.
That's gorgeous.
And I am sure that this camera was not going to do that justice. But it is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right, so quick catch up, just walking down the road. Well, we walked a pretty good distance. We're coming down now. We're coming back down the valley. Really not quite sure where this is going to pop out. We've definitely gone on the wander here, but that's all right. All right, so a little first person narrative here because we've made it back down to the road.
Huzzah! We found a road!
We've had ice cream
Yes.
and some drinks.
This girl had water.
Yes, but so we look at this, and it's gonna be a little hard to see right now on the camera. But when you look at that big ridge and that cliff face up there, and if you see way up in the middle, there's a white building. That's where the donkeys were. So in our walkabout, where we kind of didn't know where we were going, and we left the car and we hiked up to see the waterfalls that were mostly dry. That white building is where the donkeys were, where we showed the waterfall that's mostly dry.
And the great snowball fight.
And the great snowball fight, and we looped up and around all the way up to where the top of that cliff face is, and up over the top of that ridge, all the way back down this way, all the way down this way, around this ridge, around that corner over there, where we finally came down to the road and found a gas station.
Where we found drinks.
We had drinks.
And ice cream.
And ice cream, because it was victory. It was
Victory ice cream.
It was victory ice cream. There's nothing like victory ice cream. It tasted like?
I'm still hungry.
Well, but the answer was victory. It tasted like victory. So here we are. We're heading back to the car, which is some unknown distance away.
It's that way,
somewhere that way. And it's going to be great. Up and back here at the hotel, we hit the car and got a little bit of the drive back as you saw, but it got dark pretty quickly. So amazing day. Closed out here on Sunday here in Zurich. Incredible hiking with some amazing friends. Great time, mind-numbingly beautiful. Went and got some food, and now serious splat. So fantastic day, and we'll be off for more tomorrow.